Okay guys, welcome back to Moonshiner Garage. It's about basically the same we do all the time. So if I went down and start cleaning out the tractor because we ain't had rain in quite a while. Started dragging the box blade on it and hoping I could get it cleaned up before the rain came. Ran over a limb, busted a hydraulic line on that. Mondo got here bright and early this morning. He went ahead and snatched the line off of the tractor so I can get back busy. And he got directly into finishing up the headers right now. So just gonna have to tack them up as much as we can and start probably pulling them off to get ready to polish and grind them and make them look a little bit prettier. Lucky Automotive came over this weekend. I think we're come up with the idea, maybe we're gonna split this one flange and make this header a little easier to come on and off, just taking two on and off by itself and making some kind of deal to go underneath here where we can maybe put a nut and bolt in it and tighten it up and keep those. Because I've always had a problem with the tops cracking right here because of the vibration. They'll get little cracks in it, sound like your torque converter bolts are loose. Those are coming along nice, man. Yeah, so here's the rear end I was talking about earlier. I didn't know Danny was gonna show up with it today, but there it is. We're gonna put it in the OBS next week. Get them both tires turning, come on. What did we say the gear was, Danny?
342.
And what do we got in the truck now?
308.
308 to 342, so yeah, that's about what I'm gonna do the Trans Am. You know, just bump it up just a little bit, you know, just a little bit. So that's a pretty nice little setup for TJ's OBS truck. I mean, it's just like a factory upgrade swap. And I think these are 11 1/4 drum brakes, a little better than a 10-inch, you know, so, and it's a pretty easy swap. And so I'm excited to see. I think TJ's really gonna be impressed when he feels a little bitty uppity up in the OBS. Fuel mileage is gonna go down a little bit because we don't have that lockup working real good in 700 R4. So hopefully here soon we'll get Armando. We'll probably pull that thing apart and see if we can get that fixed too. Hey guys, I was just sitting here editing this video and I forgot I hadn't gave you all an opportunity to get into the brake deal. It's real simple. TPM small bolt Ford pattern. Bad to the bone, super light calibers, all your bearings, everything you need. You can win these by spending $5. Every $5 you spend on moonshinergarage.com puts you into winning these awesome brakes. We're gonna do the drawing in less than 90 days. And I just bumped it up. We're gonna put in a can of Foggit in there too. Check it out. Shout out Foggit. Appreciate you for throwing this in. You're gonna get a full can of Foggit going with this deal. Moonshinergarage.com. Every $5 you spend puts you in. Got the flanges cut in half on this side. Cleaned up, getting ready to weld them and put them back on. I'm fixing to get the plasma cutter, make some cuts on this deal so we can build some brackets to go underneath them, keep them from vibrating and shaking loose. This Shine brought the hose back, so Armando's putting it back on the tractor so I can get back down there and he can get back on the race car. Y'all don't tell John Deere, but they accidentally sold me a dozer disguised as a itsy bitsy yard tractor. Hadn't been videoing much today because still trying to get the damn headers on here. Final weld up, this one came along real quick. We got over here and all of a sudden none of them fit. We ended up splitting that flange, making it two pieces, 2 tubes per each side, and this seems to be working out a little bit better. Oh dang, what's this one? Oh, you went ahead and just, oh, I got you. You just snapped right off?
No, I just got that grinder and hit it on the 2 welds right there and pulled it right off there.
There you go. Y'all can hate me later, I don't care. They're gonna weld that up, guaranteed. We back on that race car shit now. Give y'all an idea of how close it is. Look how close it is. Back it up first time. Chicken wing, look at that. I mean, there ain't no room. None. We just wanted to lower that back one down a little bit. It was sticking up just a little bit. Much better, much better. I'm making some brackets right here. It's gonna go on the bottom of them that we're gonna bend together and gonna put these small nut and bolt in it, which is gonna clamp the header together because they've always broke. Yeah, I do all my own work here at Moonshiner Garage. I don't really have any help. I do it all by myself all day, every day. I just got this rear end changed earlier. I was right in the middle of getting that done, you know. Look at that. That's just a little old surprise for the son, you know. Got that in there today, but then I decided to go ahead and throw some new shoes on it, and these were leaking a little bit, so go ahead and fix those up too while we're at it. Super excited, man. 342s in the old truck. It's gonna be happy. Oh yeah, lucky. They only make 11 1/4 pads for 3/4 ton trucks.
Oh yeah.
Just FYI.
Yeah. Just put it on the cap time.
Just saying. There's our little contraptions. Look at that. That way they won't be when I'm banging it through the motor. Come on. Shit, that's good. That's real good. That's real good. Now we're finishing up this side. I know we've been dragging on these headers for weeks, guys. A couple days. Oh, it's that time. Oh yeah. Couple dents, no big deal. Beautiful. Got my zoomies back. Y'all don't like apples, dude? Come on. What about banana? Figured y'all got tired of seeing me and Armando knocking out so much stuff. Kind of like today, we did tie rods all the way around the Dodge, calipers and pads on the OBS, and Armando's underneath there running all new brake lines on the Moonshiner. Yeah, for $50 on Amazon, you can buy 25 foot of brake line this size, 25 foot of brake line this size, the bender, the cutter, the flare tool, and 50 different brass fittings to run all new brake lines throughout the truck. It's a hell of a deal. And I'm all the way from the master cylinder all the way to the very brake line bracket. That looks good, don't it? What's up? Oh, that's the invoice?
Yeah.
You always come around when it's money time.
A-mode this time for you, Tom.
Huh?
A-mode this time.
A-mode? Shut up, Peston. We're about to see what this thing can do. What is that? Suzuki one? It's a 1000, I think. Does that say Suzuki? He said he's gonna let it rip. Holy shit, he is gone.
Get her done.
He was rolling, wasn't
I know, we're terrible.
he? Yeah, dude, he ain't scared.